Are you thinking about doing the keto diet? Well, that is my favorite, and this is why. Hey everyone, so we all know that diets usually suck. Keto is actually pretty fun if you're like me and you like protein, everything besides sugar and carbs pretty much. So number one, my favorite breakfast meal is an egg casserole with ham or whatever protein that you'd like. So number two, my favorite lunch meal is chicken stir fry with broccoli. And number three, I like to keep it simple again with just steak bites or just steak and butter and avocados and zoodles if you want, zucchini noodles. I know, sounds a little weird, but it's carbless noodles, zoodles. So when doing keto, you want to keep it high protein, high healthy fats like avocados, butters, grass-fed if you can, organic if you can. Try not to eat anything processed, even if it is protein. Try not to keep it processed like Panda Express or something. Try to make it at home. And just avoid carbs and sugars. That simple. If you want to learn more, there's a lot of information on prayandaustin.com, a lot of diets and a lot of free stuff that I give, exactly how I make these meals, exactly how others have made these meals. There's just a lot of information on prayandaustin.com about fitness and balancing your life in love and whatever else. So, yeah, peace out.